professional manufacturer of remote control crawler lawn mowers, integrating R&D, mass production, and global export. All machines pass CE, Euro 5, and international certification, suitable for harsh terrains in Europe, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, and Africa. We have established long-term cooperation with distributors and engineering partners from over 30 countries worldwide. The machine can climb 45-degree slopes stably. Long-distance wireless remote control ensures safe and efficient mowing for villas, orchards, and slope greening. We support OM and ODM customization, stable mass delivery, and local after-sales spare parts warehouse. Choose our intelligent lawn care equipment to expand your global garden machinery business.